Hello, John Kraus here, owner of Next Key Real Estate that is partnered with eXp Realty. I've got a terrific home behind me here that we're going to take you on a tour of. It contains 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and one thing that I really like about the layout of this house is the primary suite is down at this end, and then the other 2 bedrooms with the other bathroom are down at this end. So it gives a bit of a space and privacy for everybody living here. And also this giant garage we see here that can hold probably up to about 4 cars. And it's got some unfinished space currently used as storage above it. However, it's already got plumbing and other utilities ready to go if somebody wants to finish it off. Great idea for potentially an apartment or just some more living space. But enough talk. Let's take you inside, show you around, and let me know if you got questions after you see it. Enjoy the tour. Thanks for coming on the tour of this home. If you have any questions or have further inquiries you want to make, please reach out to us anytime. We're here for any real estate needs you have. Have a terrific day.